Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a quick announcement here on Forgotten Weapons. I'm Ian McCullum, and if you are interested in Finnish firearms and you have some wall space that's conspicuously empty, you may be interested in one of our cool Finnish firearms posters. As part of the Kickstarter campaign for Forged in Snow, my recent book on Finnish Small Arms, which is about to go to the printer now, we're just about complete with the editing process, we also came up with 3 cool Finnish Small Arms posters that we thought people might enjoy. And in fact, a lot of you did enjoy them as part of the Kickstarter campaign, but we are now also releasing them onto our website for pre-order. So we are, when we send in the book draft to the printer, we're also going to be placing an order for posters. And if you want to get your chance to get one at the pre-order price so that we know exactly how many to print, well, this is your opportunity. So we have 3. The first one is on the Suomi submachine guns. The second one is on the Mosin Nagant in Finnish service. And the third one is on the Finnish Kalashnikov, like that guy. And all 3 of these posters use a selection of photography that we did for the book, Forged in Snow. All the photography is done by our very own James Rupley. It is outstanding quality. The guns look amazing. And what we've done with each poster is lay out the whole process of the weapon in question from the very early to the very late. So the Suomi, of course, for example, starts with the KP-26, the very first Lahti submachine gun in 7.65 Parabellum, and then it goes all the way through the 1942 Tikkakoski prototype, the just at the very end of the war, Aimo Lahti's personal prototype for how to simplify the gun, as well as the 3 major export contract versions, the Swedish, the Danish, and the Swiss versions of the Suomi. So lots of cool stuff there. The Mosin Nagant one is similar. That has 2 columns, one for Civil Guard Mosins and one for Army Mosins, combining at the bottom with the M39 family. That was used by both. So this includes some of the very first guns. It has an SAT barreled Mosin Nagant as well as a SIG smooth barrel Mosin, thin barrel. Smooth suggests no rifling. It is rifled, it's just the small barrel profile initially ordered from SIG. And then all the way through development of the M28, the M2830, on the Civil Guard side, the M27s, cavalry rifles, sniper rifles, all sorts of cool variants there. And we do the same thing with the Kalashnikov poster. So it starts with the very first Valmet prototypes, the first one with its wood furniture, the one that actually went to trials with this style of furniture, and then through the milled receivers, the stamped receivers, the folding stocks, the RK95, and all 3 variations of the modernized RK62s, the M1s, M2s, and the cool, recently put into service green M3s. So pretty cool posters. We are selling these for $25 a piece or $60 for a pack of all 3 plus shipping. You can check out all of them over at Headstamp's website. Again, they are up for pre-order because we are just putting the order into the printer just in the next few days, I expect. So check out the link in the description text below if those sound cool. Check them out. Get something cool to decorate your gun room or perhaps your living room. Thanks for watching.